Hello, welcome to this third tutorial by Vote Frenzy. In this video, I am going to show you how to create your game and increase social engagement with your target audience. Please just make sure that you watch the first and second video in this training session before you continue with this third video. Now you can recruit your own people with QR codes that you generate for your campaigns. Just click on Generate QR Code and you can copy and paste your URL web address to share it through your social channels. You can also add email addresses and send your QR code directly to your mail list, or you can download the QR code as an image for adding it, for example, to your website or email signature. After you created your own QR code, you can also invite your community to your game. You can upload your own email list and personalize your messaging within Vote Frenzy. We almost made it. You're super close to finish your first game. Just hit the box and agree to terms and conditions of Vote Frenzy and you can start with your own game. Congratulations! You made it. Your first game is now published. Now let's engage with your community and create raving fans for your brand.